Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with 17-speaker audio system, heated and cooled front bucket seats, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Bose Performance Series 17-speaker sound system, HomeLink, third row seating, leather appointed seat surfaces, heated rear seats, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, INFINITI InTouch navigation, saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.